Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Practice English Daily. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me where you are learning English from. All right, let's get started. In today's video, we are going to talk about a powerful method to improve your English speaking. This method is called shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing is a simple technique where you listen to English audio and repeat what you hear at the same time. You try to speak like the speaker, almost like a shadow. You don't wait, you don't translate, you just listen and repeat immediately. Now, why is shadowing important? Shadowing helps you improve your pronunciation, your listening skills, and your fluency. It trains your brain to understand how English really sounds in real life. You learn the rhythm, the intonation, and the natural flow of the language. It also helps you speak faster and more confidently. So, how can you practice shadowing? First, choose a short audio or video in English. It can be a simple conversation, a podcast, or a short story. Make sure it is not too difficult. If it's too fast or too complex, it will be hard to follow. Second, listen carefully. Focus on how the speaker talks. Third, repeat immediately. Speak at the same time as the speaker. Don't stop. Don't worry about mistakes. At the beginning, it will feel difficult. That's normal. Fourth, repeat again. Listen to the same audio many times. Each time, you will improve a little more. Now, here are some important tips. Tip number 1, start slow. You can slow down the audio and understand better. Tip number 2, use short clips. Start with short sentences, then move to longer ones. Tip number 3, focus on sound, not grammar. Shadowing is about listening and speaking, not thinking about rules. Tip number 4, practice every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes can make a big difference. Now, let's practice together. Listen and repeat. I wake up early in the morning. I drink a cup of coffee. I go to work by bus. Try to repeat with the same rhythm and pronunciation. You can pause and practice again. Shadowing is one of the best ways to sound more natural in English. It's simple, but very powerful. So, if you want to improve your English speaking, start using the shadowing technique today. Practice regularly, be patient, and enjoy the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video.